What's up? Welcome back to Incredible Food. Today I'm gonna go cook with a chef friend of mine, Kuldeep, who's the head chef of Grated in Soho, London. So let's go and see what he has got for us.
Thanks Elroy for letting me be a part of your channel. Today I'll be doing a plant-based dish using the most commonly available and underrated vegetable, which is the broccoli.
I'm not a big fan of veggie, but I hope you can convince me to.
No pressure, guys. I will be incorporating this plant-based dish. I'll be incorporating broccoli in a way that is more easy and more approachable. I'll be making a falafel using broccoli, herbs, spices and seasonings. Hopefully you like the dish once I finish.
Sounds exciting, Kuldeep. I can't wait to try it.
Nice. Let's get to the main star of the dish, which is the falafel in its own. So for this, I have chickpeas, dried chickpeas that have been soaked overnight, rinsed off and then drained. It is essential that you use dried chickpeas, not the canned chickpeas, because the texture with the canned chickpeas will make your falafel mushy. The second is the broccoli, which have been cut into medium-sized florets. Then I've got coriander here. Then I've got mint, red onion, which is quarters of one whole red onion, a few cloves of garlic, some green chili. You can substitute the green chili with red chili flakes or paprika. If you can adjust the spice levels, you could do more or less, or you could omit the green chilies totally. This is ready for us to shape our falafels, which we'll be deep frying later on. Let's get the process of shaping our falafel. Roughly take about the size of a lime or a medium lemon, and then roll it in your hands gently with the other palm. Just form it into a patty. You don't have to pack them really tight. they could be loose. Okay. Just a quick tip, in case if the mix is sticking onto it, apply a few drops of cold water onto your palm and then gently squish it, so that way it doesn't stick onto your palm and your hands and feet. Hard and fast rule in assembling the sandwich. Personally, I would love my hummus on one side of the bread, the yogurt sauce on the other side, which is also the tzatziki on the other side of the bread. Fill it up with 1.5 falafels. And then top it up with the veggies. And finally, a nice drizzle of that tahini sauce.